Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install and create Express.js project on your Windows. So before you try to create your Express.js project, you need to have Node.js installed on your device. So how can we check whether you have Node.js installed or not? So for it, you could just go to your Windows search option, search over here cmd. Here you can see command prompt, and if you just write over here Node-v, press enter, it will show you the Node.js version. So if you see the Node.js version, it means Node.js is installed. And if you do not have Node.js installed, then you need to go to any browser, then search for Node.js. And here you can see nodejs.org. You need to click here and then click on download. And from here, you need to download the Node.js. So I will always recommend you to download the LTS version. Just choose the version, then go down and click over here. It will download a file and you just need to install that file. And installation is really simple. So I will assume that you have Node.js installed. Now, what we are going to do is that we'll just close this and I'm going to search over here Express.js, then press enter. And here you can see expressjs.com. So we need to click here and it will take us to this page, and here you can see getting started. So there is two ways to create your Express.js project, and most easiest on and down I would recommend is this one, Express generator. So I'm going to click here and it will take us to this page, and here you will see some command. So I'm going to show you how you can create Express.js project using those commands. So if you have the latest Node.js version, then you need to use this command. And if you have old Node.js version, then you need to use this command. Since I have the latest Node.js version, so I'm just going to copy this command. But before that, what we need to do is that we need to create a folder. So let's say we'll create our Express.js project over here. So first of all, let's just go and create a folder. Let's say our folder name will be Express project. You can name it anything basically. Press enter. And now we'll go inside this folder, and this folder is empty right now. So here we're going to click and write over here cmd, press enter. It will open a command prompt in this folder location. Here you can see. So over here, what we need to do is that we need to copy this command npx express generator. Then we are going to paste it over here, then press enter. So it will generate some folder and file over here. Here you can see package.json, app.js, and some folder over here. View routes. Okay. So right now what we need to do is that we need to run this command npm install. So we are going to write over here npm install, then press enter. So this command will create node modules folder over here. So when this command is done, what you need to do is that, okay, let me just show you. Here you can see after npm install, what you need to do is, if you are using Mac OS or Linux, you need to run this command. Or if you are using Windows command prompt, which we are using Windows command prompt, this is command prompt. So for Windows, we need to copy this command, set debug my app start and npm start. So we need to copy this. Do not copy the arrow side. Okay. So we'll just paste it over here, then press enter. So this will run our project. So in order to check the project in the browser, what you need to do is that here you can see http localhost. So we need to copy this. So you will see over here like this. If you are seeing this, here you can see it means our project is running. So if you just go to the browser and if you just paste this in the browser, then press enter. Here you can see this is our Express.js project. Let me just open this project using Visual Studio Code. If you just open the command prompt and if you just over here code space dot, press enter, it will open our project in the Visual Studio Code. So here you can see views, here you can see index.jet, and here let's say h2 hello, or let's save this, and you can now just refresh our browser. Here you can see hello or. So this is how you can create Express.js project on Windows. I hope this was useful. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.